guys, welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to be doing my natural hair using the Kinky Curly Not Today leave-in conditioner and then also the Kinky Curly curling cluster. If you guys want to see how I achieve this with my hair, then just keep on watching. So I'm starting off with no product at all. I'm going to work my way from the back to the front, spraying my hair with some water and then going in with the Kinky Curly Not Today leave-in. I didn't use a comb at all. I just raked my hands through to detangle my hair. The leave-in made it super easy to detangle my hair, and it also defined my curls really well. Going in with the curling cluster, I did the same thing as I did with the leave-in, and it really defined my hair a lot. I honestly didn't use that much. It really helped define my curls even more. A little goes a long way with this product. And here's the half of my head done, just using those two products. I didn't use anything else. Again, going in with the leave-in. Following that is the curling cluster. So this is the final product with just using the Kinky Curly leave-in detangler and also the Kinky Curly curling cluster. Now I'm going in with my blow dryer and just blow drying my hair until it is about 90% dry. Next, I am going in and just clipping some parts that needs to be clipped. I am 8 months post big chop, so when I hit a year, I'm gonna go and get a trim, but that's what I'm doing here. This is the end result of the hair. I will say these two work perfect together. The only thing that I wish I wouldn't have done is I wish I wouldn't have blow dried my hair as soon as I was done with my hair. I wish I would have waited maybe 10-15 minutes, maybe even 20 minutes, and then blow dry my hair. Also, I would have used a little bit more of the leave-in conditioner. Honestly, this even defined my curls on its own. So I'm actually curious to like use more of this but less of this. There's no crunch in my hair at all. My hair is super soft. I'll probably insert a picture on how my hair looks, you know, the next day to see if it holds up. It did get a little frizzy from the blow dryer, which I wish I would have let it sit in my hair a little bit more. And honestly, I didn't put as much as I thought I would or should have put in my hair, but I think it came out really well, to be honest. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Twitter. It'll be on the screen and also be down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video.